Just some witches playing cornhole at night.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I mean, you guys really
have drama to offer back. But they love hard and all out, but they get badly hurt emotionally when they are the ones left behind. Overall, it will be easy, though dramatic for this sign. They may go through many relationships before finding one, but they eventually will end up happy or what.
Obsessed with Target's home decor department right now. So, found this little birdie in her driveway. Kind of concerned because I don't know where his parents are. It's okay, I'm not gonna hurt you.
Want me to try and pick it up?
So I was carrying him to a tree near a tree that had more birds in it, and he actually jumped and flew into our little maple tree. So that's a pretty good sign. Hopefully his family's around here somewhere. Hey guys, it's Kaylee. I just wanted to add this little bit to the end of my vlog video because I just wanted to let you guys know that the baby bird that I tried to help did end up being fine. So what happened, if you couldn't tell from the vlog, I was going to my car, I saw this baby bird by the driveway, and I felt nervous just leaving it there because it was sitting in the hot sun and it was really close to my driveway, and I didn't want, my car or anyone who might be, turning around in my driveway or something accidentally to run over it. So I kind of gently scooped the bird up in my hand, took it to the tree. So I left in my car. I came back about 20 minutes later and the little bird was gone, and I looked around my backyard all over for it just to be sure that it hadn't, attempted to fly or anything like that and gotten itself into trouble, and no sign of it. And no more squawking or anything like that. So I'm pretty sure, almost 100% sure, that the parents just came back and got it. Because it is fledgling season, so it is pretty normal to see baby birds on the ground. And if you do see baby birds on the ground, the best thing to do is to just leave them alone, and their parents will eventually come and get them. And if you think that the parents aren't around, it's always best to call a wildlife or bird rescue before attempting to take care of it yourself, because birds are pretty delicate, and oftentimes they don't need our help. But yeah, that had a happy ending, so that was fine. And the other thing is, obviously, I got a haircut. Oh my gosh, I have bangs again. I'm not really sure how I feel about them, if I like them or not. Today it's pretty darn hot, so my forehead's getting kind of sweaty, kind of regretting that a little bit. But I don't know, I think they're kind of cute. What do you guys think? But I do love this shorter length, this kind of textured bob that my hairstylist gave me. I don't know, I'm definitely feeling that. Not so sure about the bangs, but if I decide I don't like them, I can always just let them grow back out. And one more thing I wanted to mention, something crazy that happened over the weekend. I hit 4,000 subscribers. I never thought that would happen. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much. I don't know how to thank you. I just want you guys to know that I love you so much and I appreciate your support so much. And I do want to do something special for you guys when we hit 5,000 subscribers. I was thinking about doing a giveaway or something like that. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that and what types of things you would be interested in if I did do a giveaway. So yeah, if you want to keep my channel, if you want to help keep my channel growing, just, you know, share my videos if you like them, if you want to. And yeah, I guess I'll just end it there. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you. I really do. If you would like to, if you haven't yet, you can go ahead and subscribe, join my coven of beautiful spoopies. And as always, remember guys that you are beautiful just the way you are, and to always be yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.